Finding oil spots under your car may seem like a small issue, but an oil pan gasket leak can quickly become a serious and expensive problem if ignored. The oil pan gasket sits between the engine block and the oil pan, creating a seal that prevents engine oil from leaking out. Over time, heat, vibration, age, and constant exposure to oil can cause the gasket to become brittle, crack, or lose its sealing ability. What starts as a few drops on the ground can eventually lead to major engine damage. One of the first warning signs is fresh oil spots or puddles appearing where the vehicle is parked. Many drivers assume it is a minor leak and simply keep topping up the oil. However, even a slow oil pan gasket leak can gradually lower the engine oil level. Since engine oil lubricates and cools critical moving parts, running with low oil can accelerate wear on bearings, camshafts, pistons, and other expensive engine components.
Another common symptom is oil residue around the bottom of the engine. During driving, leaking oil can spread across the oil pan, crossmember, suspension parts, and underbody due to airflow. Mechanics often find a greasy, dirt-covered buildup around the lower engine area. If the leak becomes severe, oil may even drip onto hot exhaust components, creating a burning oil smell that enters the cabin. A burning oil odor is a warning sign that should never be ignored. When leaking oil contacts hot exhaust pipes or engine components, it can produce smoke and a strong smell. In extreme cases, excessive oil accumulation near hot surfaces can increase the risk of an engine compartment fire. While this is not common, it highlights the importance of repairing oil leaks before they become severe.
Low oil pressure can develop if the leak is allowed to continue for too long. As the oil level drops, the oil pump may struggle to maintain proper lubrication pressure throughout the engine. Drivers may notice an oil warning light, ticking noises from the valve train, or increased engine noise. Continuing to drive under these conditions can result in catastrophic engine failure, including seized bearings and extensive internal damage. The most costly mistake is ignoring the leak because the car still seems to drive normally. An oil pan gasket is relatively inexpensive compared to rebuilding or replacing an engine. If you notice oil spots under the vehicle, oil residue around the oil pan, a burning oil smell, or a dropping oil level, inspect the source immediately. Catching an oil pan gasket leak early can save thousands in repairs and help ensure your engine remains properly lubricated and protected for years to come.